We're here at 652 Wilkie Street in Dunedin. A sewer inspection. You see this line's holding a little water right now. Looks like somebody's using water inside right now. We're going to push out towards the street with this. Zero that out. We're just in the base of the clean out. Right here, 14 feet, I'm hitting some sort of blockage. That's a toilet paper blockage. I just saw a sign of it. Let's see if I can push through it with the camera. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get through it with the camera. Alright, we got past that stopping point with a snake. I'm going to see how far we get with the camera again. Or if we need to run that snake through there a few more times. And it looks like we're going to have to run that through there a few more times.
You're stuck in the same one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like I said, more than likely what's happening is it's just going through it, and then when you pull back through, it collapses back around. Alright, here we go again down this clean out. Looks like it's not holding water anymore, which is good. This looks to be the Orangeburg piping, which is terrible. There we are, just got past that 14-foot mark. And then here it's been changed to PVC pipe. Everything through here is looking pretty good. I ran it to 30 feet there with my snake. See the serrations in the side of the pipe where another snake's been through here. Here's a clean out there. So it looks like it's a test tee. It's probably not above ground. And there we are into clay, which is probably the city. Yeah, that's going to be the city's pipe because that's the city's clean out. So you, my friend, have a section of Orangeburg pipe in here. I'm going to locate that for you because what you're going to want to do is get that dug up and replaced. This is the PVC, which should look pretty familiar. Just regular pipe. Right there, it transitions into this black pipe. And what that is basically is tar paper that they made pipes out of. So I'm going to locate where it starts and finishes. That way you only got to dig up a certain amount.
So they're going to have to dig the concrete?
Yes. Oh yeah, there's roots inside of that. You can see those roots right there.
Uh-huh.
I'll mark that. Looks like as soon as it comes through this clean out, it turns into the orangeburg.